Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's analysis, which is regarding none other than Pepe. A little late for the update today, but something came up in the way. That's why I was unable to make the update at the usual time. But you guys know I'm not going to miss out the update, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So as of July the 12th, you guys can see the price of Pepe is currently sitting at 150. We're down about 0.2% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're up about 1% in both Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $633 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 86.2 million. So the question, of course, is what really is next for the price of Pepe? And that is the beauty of doing daily analysis, because it kind of gives us a better understanding as to what really is happening for the price of Pepe right now. So before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if we're looking at the Twitter side of things, you guys can see the Twitter following count is approaching that 380,000 followers, guys. It is increasing day by day. No matter what, if the price is mooning or not, if it's seeing a lot of sideways momentum, we're seeing new people coming into Pepe. And this is something I've been emphasizing on my channel for quite some time. I'm saying that the momentum and the hype factor is really strong right now for the price of Pepe and the project itself. And this is a great indication as to what really is happening. If I'm looking at the overall news, as far as news goes, nothing as of now, but they did reply back with this funny emoji, and you can see that was in response to breaking CPI 3%, lowest inflation rate since March 2021. And this can really pump up the stock market, of course. And we've seen a lot of positive news coming out for the cryptocurrency market, so great thing to see, of course. But now let's look at what's going on with the holder count. So the holder count has broken past that 130,000 holders. Something, of course, we projected on our channel over the past, few days. I said, we could see the overall holder count really crack past that 130,000 holders in the very near future, and that's what we have seen happen. This is a huge milestone, guys. You can see this for yourself. We've been in pretty much an upwards trajectory on, except this little bit of a retest, that we did see, holders kind of decreasing because, of course, Pepe 2.0. But overall, you're seeing new holders coming in day by day, and this is what I've been telling you guys. This is not a surprise as to what's happening, and I think this is only going to continue to go up as we do go further into this bull cycle. But if we're looking at the price, everyone is here for the price. See what really is happening with the price right now. So look at its market cap. Once again, $631.4 million, and we're seeing some nice buy orders coming in. But what really is next for the price? So going back to what I mentioned to you guys yesterday, we were hovering around this range. We did see a bounce. We saw a bounce from that range. Once we retested that support line, we saw the price go up about roughly 4.4%. So what is this showing us, guys? This is continuing to show us what I've been saying. This support level is really strong. A lot of people are, seeing the potential of the support line, and especially when it comes to leverage trading. I think whales really liquidate the shorts around this range. They pump up the price around this because it's a significant amount of support, and literally every single time, even if we wicked below it, the price generally is able to get above that range quite easily, and that shows that it is really strong level of support. But we have seen a little bit of a retest since then. We're back down to that support line. The reason as to why that's the case is because of Bitcoin. As I've said, Bitcoin is not making up its mind right now. It's seeing a lot of sideways momentum right now, and it's still not able to break into a yearly high. Bitcoin is having a really hard time breaking into a yearly high, and I think this is on purpose. The big boys, the smart money, and of course the whales are doing this on purpose because they know they can be making some massive amounts of money, liquidating the shorts and the longs, and that is what the current state of Bitcoin really is right now. And if we're seeing dominance, look at what's happening to dominance. Dominance hasn't even made up its mind. Of course, Dominance wants to push towards a new yearly high, but it's still, not making up its mind because Bitcoin hasn't really showed too much. It's just showing a lot of boring momentum, and some people are getting extremely tired that Bitcoin is not seeing those explosive moves. But I'm really liking how, Pepe is holding against Bitcoin. And not only that, last time we saw something similar happen back from June, obviously, all the way till June 20th, June 10th to June 20th, we did see a consolidation phase around here. But this time around, we're seeing something similar happen again, but it's been a little longer. But remember guys, it's still up from June 10th lows. It's still up about 80%, and a lot of people tend to forget this. Please do not forget this when you are examining the charts. And of course, right now, some people might be saying, Pepe is boring. Pepe is done. This is it. We're not going to see all-time highs. These are the times where people, get tired of holding. That's where things go against most of the people. Remember what was happening around this range when, we went into the consolidation phase, massive sell-off. People were being super uncertain, losing their patience, and then we saw the price pump up. So right now, look at the similarities. If I were to give you guys the daily time frame on the Pepe, you can see pretty much consolidation happening. You guys can see sideways momentum happening. And if we look at Bitcoin, consolidation. So you guys see the correlation, how strong this correlation really is. With Bitcoin, it's insane. So, things are starting to look great in my opinion. This is something I do want Pepe to be doing, holding above that level of support. But as I've said before, there is still a chance that, we could potentially retest the June 29th lows if the price of Bitcoin were to go down below $29,000. So those are some, things that we need to keep in mind when we are, analyzing the charts of Bitcoin. But I want to hear from you guys. What are your personal thoughts on Bitcoin? Where could you see the price of Bitcoin going? I did a poll just not too long ago, and on my community tab, and I asked where people can see the price of Bitcoin going as we do go into this, end of the month. And a lot of people are saying that, they could see the price of Bitcoin breaking past $35,000. So, we will see what happens. But as of now, for, daily analysis purposes for Pepe, things are looking great. And you guys know what Pepe is coming after. It's coming after Shiba Inu. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when, in my opinion. I think, Pepe is going to shock a lot of people. Thank you so much for all your support. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.